Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Savinarayan. Welcome back to my channel Deep's Home Live. Here I'm back with another recipe, mango salsa with lettuce. Mango salsa is refreshing condiment and delicious combo of sweetness, tanginess and spiciness. So let's make it together. For that you will need a ripe mango, green chili, red bell pepper, fresh coriander, salt, black pepper, lemon juice. That's it. Enjoy with fresh and crispy lettuce. Hope you like it. We'll back soon with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.